Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that holds back millions of English learners worldwide. Many people start learning English with pure excitement. They buy books, download apps, and join classes. But after a few weeks, something shifts. They lose focus. They get distracted by social media. They look at someone else speaking flawlessly and immediately feel bad about themselves. They study hard for 2 days, and then life gets busy, so they stop for a whole week. Slowly, a negative thought creeps in. Maybe English is just too difficult for me. Maybe I am not smart enough to learn a new language. But hear me clearly, English is not the real problem. The language itself is not the problem. The real problem is a lack of focus and an old mindset. When your focus becomes strong, your English becomes strong. Even a small, simple daily practice can completely change your speaking, your listening, your vocabulary, and your confidence. In this video, you will learn a powerful blueprint to help you stay intensely focused on English so you can improve faster than ever before. These lessons are practical, simple, and very easy to understand for beginners. So, relax your mind, believe in yourself, and let's dive into the first shift. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is treating the language like a school subject. They open a textbook for 20 minutes, do an exercise, and then immediately close it. They return to their normal life and completely forget about English for the rest of the day. They treat English like a chore rather than a daily lifestyle. If you truly want to speak fluently, you must change how you view yourself. Stop saying, "I am trying to learn English." Start saying, "I am a global person who uses English daily." True fluency happens when English stops feeling like an outside subject and becomes a natural part of your daily routine. Think of it like building physical strength. If you go to the gym once every 2 weeks and lift heavy weights until you collapse, your body will not change. Real transformation comes from moving your body daily, eating healthy daily, and training regularly. English works the same way. You do not need to lock yourself in a room and study for 10 hours every weekend. You simply need a regular, small connection with the language every single day. How do we apply this to your life right now? It starts the moment you wake up. Instead of thinking in your native language, try using simple English thoughts. Say to yourself, "Good morning. It is a beautiful day." Let's make a cup of coffee. While eating breakfast, describe your actions. "I am eating bread. This tea is hot. I like this food." When you are walking or doing chores, change your environment. Listen to simple English podcasts or short stories while walking. Change your phone's language to English. Little by little, English becomes normal in your life. And that is the goal. When English is connected to your daily activities, focusing becomes much easier. The biggest reason people lose focus is not grammar or vocabulary. The real problem is mindset. Every day, thousands of learners sabotage their progress by repeating negative thoughts. "My English is terrible. I am too old to learn. I can never speak fluently." Your brain listens to the words you repeat daily. If you constantly talk negatively about yourself, your mind starts believing it. Then, every small mistake feels huge. Every difficult sentence feels scary, and every challenge makes you want to quit. Before you can improve your English, you must improve the way you think about English. Remember this carefully. English is not magic. It is just a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Nobody is born speaking fluent English. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. They also made mistakes, forgot simple words, and felt nervous while speaking. The only difference is that they kept going. A dangerous trap that destroys focus is comparing your beginning to someone else's success. When you watch a fluent speaker on YouTube, you see their final result, not their journey. You did not see their years of mistakes, practice, fear, and struggle. Your only real competition is your old self. If you know more English today than you did yesterday, you are improving. That is enough. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfectionism destroys progress because it makes you afraid to speak. A person who speaks imperfect English with confidence will improve much faster than a perfectionist who stays silent. Give yourself the freedom to make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are lessons that help your brain self-correct and grow. Today's world is full of distractions. Phones, notifications, short videos, and endless scrolling train our brains to lose concentration quickly. Many learners say they study for 2 hours, but the truth is they study for 2 minutes, then check their phone. They read a few lines, then open social media. Because of this, they learn very slowly. Your brain cannot remember information well when your attention is constantly broken. Focus is like a muscle. The more distractions control you, the weaker your focus becomes. But when you protect your attention, your learning becomes much faster. 20 minutes of deep, absolute focus is more powerful than 2 hours of distracted study. Quality matters much more than time. Imagine trying to light a candle during a strong wind. The flame keeps moving and struggling until it goes out. That is exactly what distractions do to your brain. They interrupt your concentration again and again, making studying feel difficult and tiring. To fix this, you must control your environment. Before you begin studying, find a quiet place. Keep your phone away or turn off notifications. Decide clearly what you want to do. Do not just say, "I will study English today." Say, "For the next 25 minutes, I will listen to one English story and write down 5 new words." When your mind has a clear direction and 0 distractions, learning becomes fast and enjoyable. One of the biggest secrets to mastering English is consistency. Not talent, not intelligence, not expensive courses, just consistency. Many people practice English only when they feel motivated. One day, they study for many hours, and then they stop for a whole week. This creates very slow progress. Fluency is built through the power of small daily habits. Imagine watering a plant. If you give the plant a huge amount of water on one day and then ignore it for 2 weeks, the plant will die. But if you give it a little water every single day, the plant slowly becomes healthy and strong. English works the exact same way. Your brain learns through repetition. The more regularly you practice, the more natural the language becomes. You do not need 5 hours every day. Even 20 or 30 minutes daily can completely change your speaking and confidence over time. This is because small daily actions become incredibly powerful after many months. On days when you feel tired, lazy, or busy, do not stop completely. Even 10 minutes matters. Read 1 page of a book, listen to 1 short audio story, or speak a few sentences aloud to yourself. Keeping the daily connection alive is what prevents your progress from resetting. Consistency creates Thói quen. Thói quen builds momentum, and momentum creates improvement. One of the main reasons people lose motivation is comparison. They look at fluent speakers and think, "Wow, my English is so weak. They speak so fast. I will never be like them." Comparison is dangerous because it makes you forget your own progress. Instead of focusing on learning, you focus on other people. But everyone's life situation is different. You might have a busy job, a family to take care of, or other daily responsibilities. Comparing your speed to someone who has all day to study is completely unfair. Also, remember that social media only shows success, not struggle. You see fluent speakers smiling confidently, but you do not see the thousands of embarrassing mistakes they made before. You do not see the fear, frustration, and hard practice behind their success. Stop viewing fluent speakers as your competition. Start viewing them as inspiration. If they can learn English, it means you can too. Use their success as proof of what is possible. Focus entirely on your own path. Can I speak a bit clearer today than last month? Do I understand more words today than last year? Celebrate your small wins. Understanding one new sentence is progress. Be proud of it. Many English learners know a lot of grammar and vocabulary. They can understand English perfectly when they read or listen. But when it is time to speak, their mind goes blank. Why? Because they train their brain too much, but they never train their mouth. Speaking English is not just a mental exercise, it is also a physical practice. Your mouth, tongue, and vocal cords need training to make new sounds smoothly. If you only study silently, you are like a football player who only watches football matches on TV, but never goes onto the field to kick the ball. You cannot become a great player that way. To break this barrier, you must open your mouth and speak daily. Use the shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker or a clear audio story and repeat what they say immediately. Copy their speed, their pronunciation, and their pauses. When you are alone, speak to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing in real time. I am cleaning my room now. This desk looks much better. I need to organize my papers. This simple habit trains your brain to think directly in English without translating in your head. The more your mouth becomes comfortable with English sounds, the faster your fluency will grow. Every English learner feels tired sometimes. Some days you feel motivated, and some days you feel frustrated. That is completely normal. But during those difficult moments, you must remember one crucial thing. Why did you start learning English? Maybe you want a better future with great career opportunities. Maybe you want to speak confidently with international colleagues or mentors. Maybe you want to travel the world and communicate with people from different countries. Your reason is your power. When your reason is strong, your focus also becomes strong. Fluency takes time. A strong house is built brick by brick, and English fluency is built step by step. Every small practice session matters. Every new word matters. Every mistake matters. Think about your future self, the version of you who speaks English confidently, proudly, and fluently. That person is completely possible, but only if you do not quit today. Stay patient, stay focused, and never forget your dream. Fluency is not built in one night. It is built quietly through small daily habits, one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time. I challenge you today to stop waiting for the perfect time. Start right now with the words you already know. Commit to a 2 one-day challenge. Just 20 minutes of focused, distraction-free English practice every single day. Watch how your confidence changes. Watch how your life transforms. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical English learning and motivational videos. Keep practicing every day. Believe in yourself, and I will see you in the next video.